What is up, Math Superstars? So in this edition of Mr. Peterson Presents, I'm bringing to you a problem-solving strategy session. So we're going to talk about how you can look at any word problem, come up with some key facts, figure out what it might be saying, and then solve it. And so we're given this problem. If each person at your party will eat 1/4 a cup of ice cream, and 7 people will be at the party, how many cups of ice cream do you need to purchase? So our first step is, let's go ahead and list out the facts. So all we're going to do, we're not solving it yet, we need to figure out what the facts are. First off is there's a party. Yay, party time, makes us happy. So we know that there are 7 friends that you need to serve ice cream to. You know that each person will eat 1/4 of a cup. We know that, what else? We're just serving ice cream to your 7 friends. And so we'll just, for the sake of argument, say that you already had your ice cream, or you don't have to worry about yourself, even though I know that you want some ice cream. But let's figure it out, just ice cream for your friends. Okay. And so, what other kind of things? We know that the party is going to be a good time, so let's put another smiley face there. Doesn't matter what type of ice cream it is, it doesn't matter about that information. So we know that we're listing out some facts here. Second, we need to figure out what our problem is. So our problem is we need to purchase ice cream, and we have to figure out how many cups of ice cream do we need to purchase. So how many cups? So our final answer should be a number with the label cups at the end. So now let's go ahead and draw a picture to illustrate. And so what I have here is I have our 7 friends here. So you could draw it any which way you like. I prefer stick figures because I'm not an artist. For this section, if you are an artist, please do not spend the entire time drawing out the most detailed and amazing picture known to man. This is just a quick illustration, emphasize the word quick, to figure out what the problem says. And so here we have our 7 friends, and they're each getting 1/4 cup of ice cream. That is all you get, friends. Not a half, not 3/4, but you get 1/4 of a cup of ice cream. So there's our lovely little picture here to illustrate. And so once again, let me go list these out here. So we got to figure out what operation do we do to solve this problem. And so we can look at our 1/4 cups down here with our picture. We know that we can just add our cups together to figure out the total number of cups that we need to purchase. So in doing this, we have 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 should equal 7/4 cups. So we could say that we did addition, but this way takes way too long. So we know another way, when we look at repeated addition, we can also say that we used multiplication. So you say, how do we use multiplication? So we have 7 friends times 1/4 of a cup per friend. So in doing this, our next step is, what's our answer? So here, if we did the repeated addition, we'll get you 7/4, but let's do the multiplication. So we have 7 times 1/4. So we change our whole number into an improper fraction, 7/1 times 1/4 equals and then we multiply our numerators as 7, and we multiply our denominators as 4. So we have 7/4. Let's go ahead and make that into a mixed number here. So our mixed number is 1 3/4. And in the very beginning, we determined that the problem was asking how many cups of ice cream do we need to purchase. So we can say that we have 1 3/4 cups. And you might say, wow, I got my answer. That's it. You were so very close. Because in finding your answer, can you go to the store and buy 1 3/4 cups of ice cream? That's a great question. So say maybe when you go to Giant, you might be able to buy 2 cups of ice cream. So in a sense, when you go to the store to do the purchase, you're going to round that up to 2 cups because we do not want to have a friend left out. And the good news for you is by rounding up, there's an extra 1/4 cup for you. But this is a really simple problem solving strategy that you can use with any word problem that's given to you. So follow the steps, and I guarantee you'll be able to see what the equation is and then how to solve it at the end.